My buddy Noah and I started storm chasing about a year ago and have been hooked ever since. We decided to film this chase and put it on YouTube.
It's just full on hit the fan mode. Look at all those like supercells. They kind of look like beans too.
Go, 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 go. That's a storm chaser. Oh. How you feeling, buddy? How you feeling?
My heart's actually kind of racing, dude. Whenever you see this in front of you, knowing what it could do.
We're right in front of it too.
Let's go.
Dude, it's so eerie.
Yazoo, Mississippi, guys. It's getting very real. Dude, there are so many people down here. This is not good. We don't want to end up in there, bro.
Oh shit, dude.